Throughout my time in architecture, I've constantly asked myself the following questions. How do I best represent my architecture projects? How do I communicate my ideas? How can someone who I've never met before understand my project? The answer is simple, it's through graphic communication. While the answer is simple, the skill is not. It is arguably the most challenging skill to learn within architecture, but communication is everything. So welcome to the Build Your Architecture Graphic Style Drawing and Graphic Workshop. In my experience, whilst architecture schools and practices expect you to be able to effectively communicate projects, they very rarely teach you how. And that is why I've developed this course to teach you guys how. In this course, I'll explain exactly what graphic communication in architecture is and how you guys can create your own coherent graphic style in architecture. I do this by exploring the following questions and topics in modules 1 and 2. What is graphic communication in architecture? What makes good graphic communication? Examples of architectural graphic styles, and how to create your own graphic style. Creating your own graphic style will not only help you be able to communicate your architectural projects and ideas, but it'll also help you stand out in such a fiercely competitive field. I will share how I develop my own graphic style and how I take inspiration from my favourite architects and also other creative fields such as film that I'm passionate about. The course will also have special appearances from award-winning students who will share how they develop their own graphic style and how they approach the communication of their projects. In modules 3, 4 and 5, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how I produced these 3 drawings, explaining exactly how I implemented my own graphic style in these drawings. You will learn about my drawing workflow and how I use tools such as Rhino, Enscape, Illustrator, Photoshop, and Indesign. And this aims to give you a good understanding of how I implement my graphic style into my drawings. My workflow is super simple, but it's really effective in communicating my projects. There are many courses out there, but not many that tailor their curriculum to communication and graphic style. This is a course I wish I had access to earlier in my architecture career, and I hope all of you students, graduates, young professionals and architects out there will really find value in this course. Thank you and enjoy.